1. 1987 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. Price: $6,000. Located in Wilmette, New Hampshire. This 1987 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z represents one of the most recognizable performance cars of the late 80s, offering a distinctive body style and a classic driving feel that many enthusiasts still appreciate today. This unit has been driven 123,456 miles and features an automatic transmission paired with a gasoline-powered engine, delivering the kind of smooth cruising character the IROC-Z series was known for. The exterior comes in a deep burgundy finish that retains its sporty appeal, while the interior is finished in black, providing a clean and purposeful look that matches the car's heritage. The vehicle is fully paid off and comes with a clean New Hampshire title, making the ownership process straightforward for the next buyer. The seller states clearly that the car is available, encouraging only serious inquiries. Some recent work has already been completed, and buyers are advised to check the photos to see the updates done. This Camaro can also be considered for trade, specifically for a Wrangler or other 4x4 vehicles, giving flexibility for those who prefer an exchange option. Overall, this IROC-Z offers a great foundation for someone looking to own a classic 80s icon, either as a daily cruiser, a restoration project, or a weekend fun car. The body style, stance, and reputation of the IROC-Z continue to make it a desirable model in the affordable classic category. And this example provides an accessible entry point for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage American performance with a straightforward mechanical setup that is easy to maintain and personalize. 2. 1979 Chevrolet Monza. Price: $29,999. Located in Owensboro, Kentucky. This 1979 Chevrolet Monza is a professionally built top sportsman drag car, created for serious performance enthusiasts who want a fully engineered race machine rather than a basic bracket setup. The chassis is a full-tube design with a Pro stock cage, purpose-built for high horsepower passes and consistent track performance. Power comes from a 477 cubic inch engine using Lingentelter Pro stock Pontiac heads, aluminum childs and Albert rods, gas-ported pistons, Jessel rockers, and a Jessel belt system. It features a Pro stock single-plane intake topped with a Bob Brooks-built 1250 Holley Dominator carburetor. Tuned for 8,000 revolutions per minute shifts, the engine is reported to produce around 900 horsepower on the dyno. The ignition system is run by an MSD trigger box for a reliable spark under heavy load. The car uses a Liberty 4-speed transmission with a matching shifter, an aluminum flywheel, ram clutch, and a titanium bell housing. A new drive shaft has been installed, and stopping power is delivered through Wilwood disc brakes on all 4 corners. The rear setup is a 4-link system paired with a Ford 9-inch rear, strange aluminum center section with 4.30 gears, and 35 spline axles. Wheelie bars are included. The chassis was recertified in June 2025 at Beach Bend, KY. According to the seller, on its only pass this season, the car ran 5.50, and with its setup, it should run comfortably in the low 5s. Weight is approximately 2,100 pounds. Recent updates include new Mickey Thompson tires, a 16-volt battery, and charger. Seller will consider trades for muscle cars, making this a strong option for collectors seeking a serious race-ready machine. 3. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $19,500. Located in East Waterboro, Maine. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a dedicated drag car setup that comes with a clean title and an impressive list of components, making it ideal for racers looking for a turnkey bracket performer. It is powered by a 468 big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, with the seller stating that more than $12,500 were invested recently in the motor and transmission alone. All build paperwork is included, giving the next owner clear documentation on parts and work completed. The car has only been raced once since the seller purchased it, and during that single outing it won its class, showing its capability and readiness for competition. The Nova is described as race-ready and needing nothing, which is appealing for racers who want to get on the track without additional investment. It is equipped to run 6.8 to 6.7 seconds off the foot brake and likely 6.6 to 6.5 seconds using the trans brake, making it a competitive bracket car. The exterior is finished in brown with a black interior, maintaining a straightforward appearance consistent with many purpose-built drag cars. Trades may be considered, including Harley motorcycles, Polaris Ranger units, side-by-sides, or sporty vehicles. Overall, this Nova offers a strong combination of reliability, proven performance, and fresh mechanical components, making it an excellent choice for drag racing enthusiasts seeking a serious, track-ready machine with documented upgrades and a successful run record. 4. 2015 Distance Super Late Model / Pro Stock. Price: $20,000. Located in Buxton, Maine. This 2015 Distance Super Late model is presented as a turnkey race car in used-like-new condition, offering an outstanding opportunity for someone looking to enter the world of late model racing with a fully equipped machine. The seller notes that the car includes some spare parts, and the setup features a Redline 604 top-mount engine, DEI components, and a Jericho transmission. Every part the seller owns related to this car will be included in the sale, allowing the buyer to acquire not only a functioning race vehicle, but also the supporting components needed for competitive track operation. This Distance chassis is well known for its durability, predictable handling, and competitive balance on short tracks, making it a strong choice for drivers who want a capable platform without having to build one from scratch. The vehicle is being offered at $20,000, but is mentioned to have a Redline valuation of $22,500. The seller is also open to trades, specifically mini excavators or skid steers, and is even willing to add cash for the right deal, adding flexibility for buyers with equipment to exchange. The condition is described as used but like new, indicating minimal wear and careful maintenance. Its turnkey status means everything is ready for immediate racing, which significantly reduces preparation time, especially for racers who do not want to start from a disassembled or partially incomplete project. Overall, this late model race car provides a rare combination of quality parts, fully functional setup, additional spares, and realistic pricing, making it a serious contender for anyone wanting to compete at higher levels of short-track racing. 5. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Sedan 300. Price: $15,000. Located in North Kingstown, Rhode Island. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle 300 sedan is offered as a complete race-ready package for buyers seeking a classic body combined with a competitive drag racing setup. The car features a 10-point roll cage, although it requires a dash bar to achieve certification. The rear end consists of a 4-link Ford 9-inch setup built by S&W, featuring an anti-roll bar, a 4.56 gear set housed in a strange case, and Moser axles. It maintains original doors, glass, and body panels, while the hood, trunk lid, fenders, and bumpers are lightweight fiberglass components. It sits on Goodyear tires front and rear, giving it the stance expected of a serious drag platform. The engine currently installed is a 454 big block board with Icon pistons, a steel crank, and H-beam rods, paired with a Holley Dominator carburetor on a Denver TS6 throttle stop. The seller is offering the engine for an additional $7,000 if the buyer wishes to keep it in the car. A transmission specialty SFI Powerglide transmission can also remain for $3,000. Documentation includes data log books and manuals for the MSD7AL, 3 and Mega 350 controller, which come with the car if purchased complete. The asking price as it sits is $15,000. The seller encourages interested buyers to request additional photos and reach out for details. For racers seeking a lightweight mid-60s body with strong potential, this Chevelle offers substantial value and flexibility for different engine and transmission setups. 6. 1969 AMC Rambler. Price: $14,000. Located in Louisville, Kentucky. This 1969 AMC Rambler gasser is presented as a unique project car with extensive new parts already installed, offering an excellent platform for someone wanting a classic gasser-style build with most of the heavy work completed. The vehicle currently has only 1 mile on a freshly rebuilt 304 engine, converted from its original setup to an 8-cylinder configuration. The exterior features a two-tone design combining satin black and gloss black, accented by new pinstriping. Blue-tinted windows and a fresh blue interior complement the bold vintage race style. The vehicle sits on Mickey Thompson slicks, adding to its traditional gasser appearance. Approximately 80% of the build is complete. New components include the transmission, a 904 automatic, a new carburetor, aluminum intake, TCI floor shifter, radiator, alternator, distributor, and a brand new fuel cell tank. The vehicle is not currently running, but the seller notes that everything necessary to finish the build is already in place. This Rambler comes with a clean title and is being sold as a project that requires final assembly and tuning. It also includes manuals and detailed notes regarding parts used and installation, for enthusiasts seeking a vintage gasser with much of the expensive mechanical work done. This Rambler offers strong potential for completion. Its style, stance, and components make it ideal for car shows or drag strip builds once finished. The seller invites serious buyers to bring a trailer and contact Joe for more information. 7. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price: $7,000. Located in Durham, Maine. This 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is being offered as a competitive race platform with a strong history at Wiscasset Speedway, where it reportedly raced weekly and even secured 2 championships. Although the car currently has no engine, no transmission, and no seat installed, the seller notes that it can be purchased as a complete turnkey unit for the right price, giving potential buyers flexibility depending on their budget and intentions. The exterior is finished in a bold purple color, giving it a noticeable presence both on and off the track. The interior, while partially stripped for racing purposes, remains a functional environment ready to accommodate safety gear and racing equipment. The Monte Carlo comes equipped with outboard front shocks and tubular upper control arms, providing improved suspension geometry and stability under race conditions. A 3-link rear setup helps deliver power to the ground efficiently once a suitable drivetrain is installed. This structure makes the car appealing for racers looking to build a strong oval track or short track performer. Since the vehicle raced competitively in the past, much of the setup has already been dialed in, making it easier for a new owner to continue that performance legacy. The condition is consistent with a purpose-built race car, showing typical signs of track use while still retaining framework integrity and solid component mounting points. For buyers interested in assembling their own drivetrain configuration, this Monte Carlo serves as a versatile and affordable starting point. It offers a reliable racing pedigree, modernized suspension features, and the potential to become a turnkey winner again with the proper powertrain and setup. It is especially suitable for racers seeking a competitive base chassis without the cost of a full build from scratch. 8. 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Price: $35,000. Located in Deer Park, New York. This 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe is a rare one-owner vehicle that has been transformed into a full-Dale Earnhardt tribute car, originally built in 1996 by the owner himself. With only 40,000 miles on the body, this Monte Carlo carries both collectability and sentimental value, especially among NASCAR fans and enthusiasts of 1980s American performance cars. The paintwork and styling were designed to replicate the iconic racing look associated with the Earnhardt legacy, making this a standout classic suitable for shows, collections, or dedicated fans seeking a tribute car with authentic character. As a tribute build, the Monte Carlo includes numerous modifications and enhancements, though the seller states that the list is simply too extensive to detail fully. The overall appearance remains faithful to the period, while the structure maintains the reliability one expects from a well-cared-for single-owner vehicle. The car's automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive layout, and classic SS stance all contribute to its impressive road presence. Its black exterior color adds to the intimidating look reminiscent of the legendary race cars it was inspired by. The seller notes that the conversion was personally completed, indicating close attention to detail and passion for authenticity. While some specifics are not stated, tribute builds of this type typically include suspension improvements, aesthetic enhancements, and performance-oriented tuning. For collectors who value legacy vehicles or nostalgia-driven builds, This Monte Carlo offers a rare opportunity to own a custom tribute car created during the height of Earnhardt's popularity. With its low miles, single ownership history, and documented sentimental value, it stands as a unique and desirable example of a well-preserved and purpose-built classic. 9. 1992 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price: $49,000. Located in Branchburg Township, New Jersey. This 1992 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a highly specialized supergas, street, and bracket racing car featuring an S&W custom chassis certified to 7.50, making it suitable for serious competitive racing. The chrome moly cage provides structural rigidity and meets high safety standards for high horsepower applications. The car features custom paint, a Dana rear with 4.88 gears, a 4-link rear suspension, and an anti-roll setup paired with double adjustable shocks both front and rear. This combination ensures smooth launches, exceptional stability, and predictable handling throughout a full pass. Cooling and airflow are addressed through components like Harry's glass and Ron's radiator, while ignition and control systems include grid MSD, K&R wiring, and a racepack dash recorder, giving the driver full data acquisition capabilities. Powering this machine is a Bill Surrally-built 511 big block Chevrolet engine with a dry sump system, ensuring optimal oil management even under extreme racing conditions. A Gary Williams 1050 gas carburetor paired with a Jones belt-driven alternator supports the power plant. Backing the engine is a 1.80 Powerglide transmission connected to a Neil Chance converter and a Mark Williams driveshaft. A 16-volt electrical system helps deliver consistent ignition and component performance. The seller emphasizes that there is simply too much equipment to list, reinforcing that this is a fully equipped competition-level car. Described as being in great shape, it runs consistently, tracks straight, and is ready for serious racers who demand reliability and precision. Those searching for a professional-grade drag racing vehicle will find exceptional value in this heavily equipped and well-maintained Cutlass. 10. 1987 Drag Truck. Price: $16,000. Located in Port Barre, Louisiana. This 1987 drag truck presents a solid foundation for anyone looking to own a purpose-built race vehicle with a proven setup and excellent potential for further development. Built around a sturdy C10 platform, the truck has been converted into a full tube chassis configuration, offering increased rigidity and improved safety qualities ideal for drag strip use. The chassis layout ensures strength under high-stress launches, while the overall structure keeps weight distribution optimized for traction and balance. The truck also features MSD grid ignition components, giving buyers the ability to fine-tune timing and ignition control once they install their preferred engine setup. At the rear, the vehicle is equipped with a Ford 9-inch differential paired with 4.88 gears, a setup commonly chosen by dedicated racers for its durability and performance under hard launches. The large 33x15 slicks provide a confident contact patch, helping maximize grip when staging or accelerating down the track. Although being offered as a roller without engine or transmission, the truck is nearly complete for those who want a customizable project they can finish to their preferred specifications. The truck's previous owner notes openness to trade for a clean 1962 to 1965 Nova Cruiser, emphasizing that the vehicle has been maintained in good used condition and remains ready for someone to take it to the next stage. Overall, this drag truck is an appealing option for racers seeking a near-finished project with essential components already in place, making it a strong candidate for competitive track use once completed. 11. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Pro Street. Price: $33,500. Located in Grayling, Michigan. This 1969 Pontiac Firebird Pro Street stands as a bold representation of classic American muscle transformed into a purpose-built street and strip performer. The car maintains its iconic Firebird body lines, but underneath, it carries a far more serious attitude designed around power and traction. Equipped with a big block power setup mentioned by the seller, the vehicle has been configured for strong torque delivery and the type of acceleration expected from a pro street build. The overall stance is aggressive, sitting on wide 29 by 14.50 rear tires that contribute both to its visual appeal and its performance potential on pavement. The exterior reflects the classic late 60s Pontiac styling, while integrating performance cues that indicate its upgraded capabilities. Its widened rear footprint enhances stability under acceleration while keeping the visual identity intact. The Firebird retains its classic charm but carries the enhancements needed for reliable street enjoyment and occasional track outings. This combination makes it appealing for enthusiasts seeking a vintage platform that still offers modernized strength. Inside, the cabin remains functional with a layout designed for driving rather than luxury. The interior complements the vehicle's pro-street purpose while maintaining a recognizable Firebird atmosphere. The condition is noted as good used, making it well-suited for anyone wanting a car ready to enjoy with minimal upgrades required. Overall, this 1969 Firebird Pro Street offers a compelling blend of heritage styling, big block power, and pro-street personality, making it an excellent choice for collectors and performance-focused buyers alike. 12. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $35,000. Located in Vinton, Iowa. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street showcases an impressive blend of vintage design and modern performance upgrades, creating a machine tailored for those who appreciate raw power and aggressive build quality. Finished in blue with a black interior, the car presents a confident presence both visually and mechanically. The seller reports that the vehicle has been driven but remains in strong running condition, supported by a substantial performance setup. At its heart is a 496 engine paired with a 177 Wien blower, delivering the kind of boosted power that defines a true pro street configuration. A 400 turbo transmission with a manual valve body ensures that the driver maintains direct control over shifts, while a 3,800 stall converter helps launch the car effectively during hard acceleration. The 9-inch Ford rear end fitted with 430 gears completes the drivetrain, creating a balanced yet aggressive combination built for straight-line performance. These components reflect a well-thought-out build designed to transfer power reliably and efficiently. The exterior stance reflects the upgrades beneath the body, giving the Nova a muscular and performance-oriented look. Despite its aggressive setup, the car maintains recognizable vintage Nova styling, offering both aesthetic appeal and functional engineering. The sale is noted as is and where is, meaning buyers should evaluate the vehicle on-site but can expect a strong pro street foundation. This Nova is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a capable, blower-equipped classic that delivers excitement, character, and serious performance potential. 13. 1992 Chevrolet Beretta drag car. Price, $10,000. Located in Waynesfield, Ohio. This 1992 Chevrolet Beretta drag car offers a nearly completed project for buyers wanting a dedicated racing machine built around a lightweight chassis and strong racing components. According to the seller, the car was originally constructed for a small block setup, making it an excellent starting point for someone ready to install their preferred engine and finalize the build. Although currently not running, the vehicle sits at approximately 99% completion, lacking only the remaining mechanical assembly and finishing touches needed before heading to the track. The car features a tube chassis design that contributes significantly to rigidity and weight reduction, two essential characteristics for consistent drag racing performance. It is equipped with a Ford 9-inch rear end featuring 31-spline strange axles, a popular choice for racers due to strength and reliability under hard launches. Paired with large 33-inch drag tires, the Beretta has the necessary traction footprint to support substantial horsepower once fully assembled. The seller notes that although weight is unknown and the vehicle is not yet certified, previous assessments suggest that certification should be a straightforward process. The car stands as an appealing option for racers who want a project very close to completion but still customizable to personal preferences. With the seller motivated and open to reasonable trade considerations excluding junk, this Beretta represents a strong opportunity for someone seeking an affordable drag racing platform. It offers a solid combination of parts, potential, and track readiness once the final steps are completed.